Hi everyone, my name is Lizett Olguin, and today I'm going to talk about the process of validity and reliability in research in a research study. So let's begin with these two important aspects, these two important concepts in research design. So about validity and reliability. So, well. First of all, let's start with types of validity. There are six in this graphic. We have six types of validity. The first one is content validity. Well, this is the representation of the measurement and the phenomenon that we want information about. Then we have phase validity. This is refers to familiarity of our instrument and how easy it convince others that there is content validity to it. Then we have construct validity. Well, this type is one of the most or it's the most complex of the validity types according to Mackey 2016. This refers to the degree to which the research adequately captures the construct of interest. Then we have criterion related, which refers to the extent to which a test used in a research study, and this comparison to others well-known established tests of the construct in question. Predictive, uh, this deals with the use that one might eventually want to make of a particular measure. And the last one is one of the most important in one of the most uh, uh, one of the largest types of validity, which refers to basically refers to the difference between the dependent variable. This difference between the dependent variable and the independent variable. So this involves the two variable of a research. Then about reliability, we have instrument. Well, this reported by reliability index, and between 0 and 1 in this case in quantitative research, which is the methodology of my research study. In this one, also we have three methods or three techniques um, related to reliability. Test retest, which its accuracy allows the same participants perform on the same instruments twice. Then we have parallel forms, two in this one, two equal forms of the same instrument. The use of split instrument are administered to two comparable groups. In this case, groups of participants. In my research, it's about groups of students. And then we have internal consistency. uh, one of the advantages of this technique is to calculate test and questionnaire. The use of a split half in Cronbach alpha is possible. These are two methods proposed by Mackey. And research reported in quantitative research, it's whether or not the reported study can be replicated based on the information provided. Now, well, this is the theory of my research of this concept. Then we have this concept, but in my research study. The validity process of the independent variable, in this case, is the survey. For the validation of the first instrument, I'm going to use phase validity. The process shall be carried out into stages. In the first one, 25 students of the language degree from UHAT will be asked to review the survey, and the participant must read and analyze each item in detail. And then the second stage will answer a number of questions, such as what is the objective of the instrument? What does this survey measure? Are the items related to the research topic, or are the items meant to be answered? Then, in about reliability of the independent variable, well, because it's not easy to apply the instrument twice on the same group of participants, in this case for the application of the survey, and considering the time of this process, Maki proposed three methods: split half, Coder Richardson 2021, and we have Cronbach, which is similar to the Coder Richardson 20, but is used when the number of possible answers is more than two. Description and justification of the validity process of the dependent variable. Well, in my dependent variable, I have two instruments: clause test and grammaticality judgment test. For both instruments, in this process, a request will be made to some teachers of Italian subject of the language degrees from UHAT to carry out an analysis of a small sample of the original test, which will include items where the Italian subjunctive is used, and these items will be presented in the form of situation. This situation are part of the three dimensions of the dependent variable, and then they will determine if the level of difficulty of the items is ideal for the application. And then the reliability process of these two instruments, well, despite the time it takes in considering the characteristics of this instrument, a test retest a test retest is the test rest is the alternative that best fits the reliability of the variable. In addition, practice effect might exist, and it's unclear if this would have an equal impact on each student.